The 2027 Porsche 718 Boxster and Cayman EV step into the world as some of the most ambitious electric sports cars ever engineered, marking a monumental evolution in Porsche's heritage. For decades, the 718 series has represented balance, precision, and lightweight agility, built on Porsche's iconic mid-engine philosophy. Now, the 2027 models transition into a fully electric architecture built on Porsche's next-generation EV platform, designed specifically for compact, high-performance sports cars. This platform allows the battery to sit incredibly low, pushing the center of gravity close to the ground, offering handling characteristics even sharper than the gasoline-powered predecessors. Porsche offers the 718 electron-volts lineup with multiple powertrain options. The standard rear-wheel drive model produces over 400 horsepower with a single high-output electric motor tuned for pure driver engagement, while the dual-motor all-wheel drive versions come close to 600 horsepower, propelling the car into supercar territory. Instant torque allows the 718 electron-volts to respond to throttle input with precision and aggression, giving drivers an emotional connection often thought to be lost in electric cars. Porsche engineers have spent years refining motor tuning, torque vectoring, and throttle mapping to ensure the 718 electron-volts behaves like a true descendant of its combustion ancestors. The range is expected to fall between 350 and 420 kilometers depending on the model and configuration, offering enough real-world practicality for daily driving without compromising performance. Charging speeds are equally impressive, thanks to Porsche's 800-volt architecture allowing DC fast charging up to 270 kilowatts. This means drivers can charge from 10% to 80% in under 20 minutes, making long-distance trips feasible and convenient. The chassis has been redesigned with high-strength aluminum, carbon composite elements, and strategically placed reinforcements to maintain rigidity despite the absence of an engine block. Weight distribution, once the defining advantage of the mid-engine layout, is now achieved through precise battery positioning. Porsche claims the new EV layout allows even more balanced dynamics compared to the classic configuration. Aerodynamics have also been engineered to work in harmony with the electric powertrain. Active vents, concealed air curtains, and rear adaptive spoilers manage airflow efficiently for both cooling and downforce. This ensures that even at high speeds, the 718 electron-volts maintains stability while slicing through air with minimal resistance. In essence, the 2027 Porsche 718 Boxster and Cayman EV aren't just electric versions of familiar sports cars, they are reimagined performance machines built with a vision to dominate a new era of driving. They retain Porsche's DNA but present it in a futuristic, electrified sculpture of efficiency, speed, and precision. Exterior is almost equal to 350 words. The exterior design of the 2027 Porsche 718 Boxster and Cayman EV brings together futuristic electric styling in classic Porsche proportions. The front profile features slimmer LED matrix headlights that stretch back into the fenders, giving the car a sharp and confident expression. With no need for a traditional grille, the nose has been sculpted for aerodynamic purity, incorporating smooth surfaces and subtle channels that direct airflow over the body. The body lines of the 718 electron-volts are more athletic and aggressive, with a slightly wider stance that amplifies stability and road presence. Both models ride lower than before, creating a visually grounded appearance that signals performance even before the car moves. The Boxster EV features a redesigned electric soft-top roof that operates almost silently and folds neatly behind the cabin, preserving the sleek silhouette whether open or closed. Along the sides, the sculpted doors and aerodynamic side blades serve more than cosmetic purposes, they channel air towards the rear motors and battery cooling systems, ensuring thermal efficiency even under intense driving. The Cayman EV's coupe body takes on an even more aerodynamic shape, with a sweeping roofline that enhances downforce and reduces drag, giving it a slightly more track-focused presence than the open-top Boxster. At the rear, Porsche's signature full-width LED light bar makes a bold statement, integrating a new animated welcome sequence and housing the Porsche lettering within the glass. A variable rear spoiler adjusts angle depending on speed, offering increased stability during high-speed driving. Lower bumper elements are clean, sculpted, and purposeful, emphasizing the electric nature of the vehicle without adding unnecessary complexity. New lightweight wheel options ranging from 19 to 21 inches complete the exterior, each designed to optimize airflow around the brakes and motors. The overall look is a harmonious blend of aerodynamic engineering, modern EV character, and pure Porsche identity, instantly recognizable. Yet fiercely future-ready. Interior is almost equal to 400 words. Stepping into the cabin of the 2027 Porsche 718 Boxster and Cayman EV, you are greeted with a dramatic fusion of Porsche heritage and futuristic digital sophistication. The cockpit retains its driver-focused orientation, with every element positioned to enhance focus and engagement. The centerpiece is a curved, high-resolution digital instrument cluster that wraps subtly around the driver, presenting performance information, navigation, battery status, power delivery, and torque distribution with exceptional clarity. The center console houses a newly redesigned floating touchscreen equipped with Porsche's latest infotainment system, featuring seamless smartphone integration, enhanced voice command software, and support for over-the-air updates. The interface is faster, cleaner, and more intuitive than ever. The minimalist layout removes unnecessary clutter while ensuring all key functions remain within easy reach. Material quality is unmistakably premium, with options including fine leather, Alcantara, brushed aluminum, carbon fiber, and Porsche's new sustainable microfiber materials for eco-conscious buyers. The craftsmanship is precise and refined, staying true to Porsche's tradition of excellence while embracing modern tastes. The seating is one of the interior highlights. Porsche introduces new generation performance bucket seats designed for optimal support during cornering while maintaining exceptional long-distance comfort. These seats can be optioned with cooling, heating, memory functions, and even integrated neck warmers in the Boxster EV for top-down driving comfort. Acoustic refinement is another technological achievement. Porsche has employed advanced sound insulation around the cabin and wind deflection systems, especially in the Boxster, to ensure a surprisingly quiet ride even with the roof down. The natural silence of the electric motors enhances this sense of calm, making the interior feel like a premium lounge when cruising. Practicality has also improved. With no engine, both the front trunk and the rear cargo area offer usable storage space, making the 718 electron-volts more practical than most sports cars. Cup holders, small item storage, and USB-C ports are cleverly integrated without compromising the cockpit's sporty feel. Ambient lighting stretches around the cabin, creating a customizable environment that enhances night drives. The infotainment system also includes EV-specific performance modes, track telemetry, torque vectoring information, and cooling management readouts that further enhance the interactive experience. Overall, the 2027 718 EV's interior brings modern luxury, digital intelligence, and Porsche's racing-inspired ergonomics into perfect harmony. Comfort level is almost equal to 300 words. Despite its status as a high-performance electric sports car, the 2027 Porsche 718 Boxster and Cayman EV offer an impressive level of comfort and daily usability. Porsche's adaptive suspension plays a major role, adjusting in milliseconds to road conditions and driving style. Whether cruising through the city or carving through mountain roads, the chassis absorbs imperfections without compromising the car's sharp dynamics. Thanks to the low-mounted battery pack, the ride feels exceptionally planted and smooth. Weight distribution contributes to a sense of balance and predictability, making the car comfortable even over extended drives. Cabin insulation has been significantly improved, reducing wind noise, road noise, and electrical hum. The serene nature of the cabin stands out especially in the Boxster EV, which manages to stay surprisingly quiet even with the roof down. Climate control efficiency has improved as well, with a modern heat pump system that consumes less energy while providing consistent cabin comfort. The seats are sculpted for support yet cushioned enough for long-distance trips without fatigue. Every touchpoint, from steering wheel leather to door padding, feels premium and thoughtfully designed. Practicality remains a strength. Dual cargo areas offer enough space for weekend bags or daily necessities. Charging is convenient, and the fast charging capabilities make long trips stress-free. Overall, the 718 electron-volts achieves a rare balance, thrilling performance paired with genuine comfort for everyday driving. Performance is almost equal to 500 words. Performance is where the 2027 Porsche 718 Boxster and Cayman EV truly redefine the meaning of electric sports cars. With instant torque delivery, the acceleration feels thrilling and immediate, pushing you into your seat with force and excitement. The rear-wheel drive variants deliver pure sports car feel with precise responses and exceptional agility. Porsche has tuned the electric motors to provide smooth yet aggressive power delivery, ensuring the driver feels fully in control. The dual-motor AWD variants elevate performance to another level. Launch control propels the car from 0 to 100 km/h in under 3.5 seconds, rivaling supercars while maintaining everyday accessibility. Porsche's torque vectoring system distributes power intelligently, gripping the road during sharp cornering with a level of accuracy few vehicles can match. Steering feel, a valuable part of Porsche's identity, is one area engineers work tirelessly on. Electric sports cars often struggle to deliver feedback through the steering wheel, but Porsche has developed a system that communicates road texture and front-wheel grip naturally and intuitively. Combined with the low center of gravity, the car feels composed, agile, and eager. Battery management has been optimized to prevent overheating during spirited driving. Porsche Active Aerodynamics adjusts spoilers to increase downforce during aggressive driving, ensuring stability even at high speeds. Regenerative braking seamlessly blends with traditional brakes, providing strong, consistent stopping power while maximizing efficiency. On the track, the 718 electron-volts demonstrates its evolution. The predictable handling, explosive acceleration, and stable cornering make it a thrilling track machine that performs consistently. On public roads, the car transforms into a refined, responsive, and comfortable daily driver. The duality makes the 718 electron-volts lineup one of the most versatile sports cars ever produced. Conclusion is almost equal to 450 words. In conclusion, the 2027 Porsche 718 Boxster and Cayman EV represent a historic leap forward for both Porsche and the future of sports cars. These vehicles successfully bridge tradition and innovation, merging the emotion and purity of the classic 718 with the instant power, refinement, and efficiency of electric technology. Porsche's transition to electrification doesn't abandon the soul of the brand, instead, it redefines what performance can be in the modern era. Every detail, from the sleek aerodynamic design to the sophisticated digital cockpit, reflects precision and passion. The performance surpasses expectations, delivering speed, balance, and handling characteristics that redefine what an electric sports car can achieve. The comfort level and practicality further enhance the appeal, making the 718 electron-volts not just an exciting sports car but also a vehicle that can confidently be used every day. The electric future may be inevitable, but Porsche's vision ensures that this future remains emotional, engaging, and exhilarating. For enthusiasts worried about losing the character of traditional sports cars, the 2027 718 electron-volts models stand as proof that electrification can enhance, not diminish, what makes driving special. The Porsche 718 Boxster and Cayman EV are not just important cars, they are revolutionary sports machines that will influence the industry for years to come.